Hi, Shirley from ShiFio Patterns here today, and I'm going to show you how to make this really pretty swatch, and it's like a twist lace sort of thing, I suppose. That's the front, which you can do in a panels. I like to do blankets with different panels apps, so that could actually easily be one of them. So that's the back. And have a look to the back. Back to the front. There it is. Really nice. It's a 12 stitch repeat plus 3 stitches. That's to give you the 3 stitches on the end each side, plus your 2 edge stitches. And it's a 6 row repeat. So let's get started on that now. On my needle I have 2 lots of 12 plus the 3 plus the 2 edge stitches, and we will just get started. So row 1 is slip your first stitch and purl 3. 1, whoops, 2, 3. Okay, and your repeat is this: knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, purl 1, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, purl 3, 1, 2, 3. So that was a edge stitch and it was purl 3, and then you had your repeat of 6, knit 4, purl 1, knit 4, purl 3. We'll do that again, which is knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, whoops, purl 1, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, purl 3, 1, whoops, 2, 3, and purl your last stitch. There we go. That was row 1. Okay, now row 2 is, oops, slip your first stitch, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, and your repeat is purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, knit 1, purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, knit 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, slip 1, knit 3, and your repeat was purl 4, knit 1, purl 4, knit 3. So we'll do that again. Purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, purl 4, knit 1. Okay, purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, knit 3, 1, 2, never knitted that one properly, knit 3, and purl your last stitch. There we go. That was row 2. So get needle straight for row 3. Row 3 is slip 1, okay, purl 3, 1, 2, 3, and your repeat is SSK. Okay, so that's slip, slip, put them back on your needle and knit them. Okay, knit 2, 1, 2, and then it's yarn round needle, purl 1. Okay, yarn round needle, knit 2, 1, 2, knit 2 together, purl 3. 1, 2, 3. Right, let's see if I can get this right. Edge stitch, purl 3, SSK, okay, SSK, then it was knit 2, yarn round needle, purl 1, yarn round needle, knit 2 together, purl 3. Yes. Okay, SSK again, slip, slip, needle back in, knitting through the back of the loop. That's your SSK. Knit 2, 1, 2, yarn round needle, purl 1, yarn round needle, knit 2, 1, 2, knit 2 together, okay, purl 3, 1, 2, 3, purl your last stitch. There we go. Now then, row 4 is, oops, slip your first stitch, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, and then it's purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, knit 1, purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, knit 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so edge stitch, knit 3. Your repeat is purl 4, knit 1, purl 4, knit 3. Okay, so purl 4, 1, oops, 2, 3, 4, knit 1, purl 3, purl 4, sorry, 2, 3, 4, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, purl your last stitch. There we go. That was row 4. So row 5 is, this is the twisty bit. So it's slip 1, and you start this time with a purl 2, 1, 2. Okay, so you purl 2 together, and then you twist 2 at the front, which means you knit into the front of the second stitch. Okay, then you knit into the front of the first stitch. Okay, yarn over needle, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1. Okay, yarn over needle, twist 2 at the back is the same except doing it at the back. You knit into the back of the second stitch, knit into the back of the second stitch, and then into the back of the first stitch. There we go, twist 2 back, then it's purl 2 together, and you repeat that, and then I just did purl 2, not purl 2 together, it's purl 2 together. Oh, one of my lights just went out. Purl 2 together, purl 1. Okay, so that is slip 1, purl 2, and then your repeat is purl 2 together, twist 2 front, yarn over, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, yarn over, twist 2 back, purl 2 together, purl 1. Okay, so we'll start again, which is purl, and you repeat that to the last 2 stitches. Purl 2 together, okay, twist 2 front, which is again knit into the front of the second stitch, and then into the front of the first stitch. Okay, and then it's yarn over, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, yarn over, twist 2 back, knit into the back of the second stitch, then knit into the back of the first stitch. Okay, so then it's purl 2 together, purl 1, and there you are, your last 2 stitches, which is purl 1, purl your edge stitch. There we go. That was row 5. Now row 6 is slip your first stitch, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, and then the repeat is purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, purl 4, and then you knit 1, purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, knit 3, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so edge stitch, knit 3, and it's purl 4, knit 1, purl 4, knit 3. Okay, so repeat that to your last stitch. Okay, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, knit 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, last stitch, purl 1. Yay! That's your 6. That's your 6 rows. Okay. Sorry, I just got to move my mouse. Something's come up on my screen and I can't see anything. Get out of there. Right, there we go. That's your 6 rows. Doesn't look a lot on the 6 rows, but you do it several times and it comes out very pretty. Very pretty indeed. So, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, share, and see you in the next video, hopefully. Happy knitting.